In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a video on CapCut Mobile. Let's dive right into it and get you creating beautifully framed videos in no time. First things first, you'll want to open your CapCut app. If you don't have it already installed on your device, head over to your app store and download it. With CapCut open, we'll start by creating a new project. To do this, hit the option that allows you to begin anew and then dive into your gallery. This is where you'll decide which video you'd like to crop, so select your desired video file and import it. The magic of creative video editing begins here. Now that your video is sitting in the timeline, look towards the bottom of your screen and tap on the edit button. This is where most of your editing tools will be located. Feel free to familiarize yourself with them, but for now, our focus is on cropping. Once you're in the edit menu, scroll through the available tools until you stumble upon crop. Tap on it and behold, adjustable borders will appear around your video. This tool is your gateway to reshaping how your video is viewed. By pinching or expanding with your fingers, you can meticulously resize or reposition the crop box. This freedom allows you to hone in on the section of the video that you wish to highlight. Alternatively, if you need a bit more structure, CapCut offers preset aspect ratios. Options like 9:16 for vertical videos, 16:9 for widescreen, 1:1 for a classic square, or 4:3 depending on where your video is destined to be showcased. Choose the one that best suits your platform or personal preference. Feeling satisfied with the crop and how it enhances your video's focus? Perfect. Now it's time to make it official. Tap the check mark to apply the crop and cement your editing decision. Before you wrap up, make sure to preview your video. This ensures that everything is framed just how you envisioned. Give it a watch and make sure every element is perfectly aligned before you finish. And there you have it. That's how you crop a video using CapCut Mobile. With these steps, you're well equipped to adjust your video framing with ease, making every moment you captured ready for any social media platform. Cropping is a powerful tool in enhancing your video content, giving you greater control over the storytelling and aesthetics. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.